Alright, so after the success yesterday of putting on the wheels, we're going to put the top cover on today. Mainly because if I drive it anywhere off concrete, little stones and debris are going to get picked up by the tyres. It's going to flick in there and it's going to cause all kinds of grief. That's the last place you want grit. So, quick few things. One, new gasket. Now, you'll see these two little studs here, front and back. You'll notice that they've been cut down to different sizes, so you can't actually put these in once the top cover's on. They need to go in before the top cover's on, and it helps hold your gasket in place. Also lines up your top cover. So this is obviously where the seat fits, gear range, gear selection, hydraulic 3-point linkage control, up, down, and at the back here we've got your lifting arms. There are some seals in here which we'll get to, but again, I really want to protect the oil and the gears in there from grit, because I want to take this thing for a bit of a drive. So here we are. Now again, the handy engine crane, if you don't have one, get one. They're one of the best things to help you. They helped me get the wheels on by myself, and these are water filled, so it's quite a weight. Get yourself a nice strop, appropriately rated, not as tough on the metalwork as chain. Now, it's not a matter of just slipping it on. As you can see here, here's our feeder pipe from the hydraulic pump. Highly recommend you replace this little rubber seal here, little O-ring, because you don't want any of that power or that hydraulic flow coming from the pump leaking out this connection point. You want it all going up to your 3-point linkage. That way you get good hydraulic flow and you get correct power in your lift. As you can see there, top of the hydraulic pump where it fits in. So again, this top casing, well in excess of 50 kilos. Again, you don't want to bend that hydraulic pipe. Easier to use a lift, a crane, a tackle block, anything to help you. Even a 2-person lift, it is awkward to lift, and the last thing you want is a crushed finger. Alright, that's a quick update on the top cover and how to put a top cover on. See how we go. I'll update you as I progress. Thank you.